Transforming your workshop starts with investing in the right tools, and few accessories are as versatile and indispensable as a quality set of carbide burrs. If you've ever found yourself struggling with metal shaping, detail carving, or even sharpening old tools, a USA-made carbide burr set could be the upgrade your workspace needs. Today, we're diving into the details and real-world uses of some of the most popular burr sets on the market, with a special focus on the Kodiak 10-piece set, renowned for its durability, precision, and variety of shapes. First, let's explore what sets USA-made carbide burrs apart. Manufactured to exacting standards, these burrs are crafted from premium tungsten carbide, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear, even under heavy use. Each piece in a set is meticulously engineered for balance and cutting efficiency, which not only delivers smoother finishes, but also protects your rotary tools from excessive vibration and wear. The Kodiak 10-piece set, for example, includes a thoughtful assortment of shapes, like the SA1 cylindrical, SC3 cylindrical radius, SD5 ball, and SF5 tree shape, each designed for a specific task. Understanding which burr to use can make all the difference in your project's outcome. The SA1 cylindrical burr is perfect for leveling and smoothing flat surfaces, making it a must-have for those working on tool sharpening or shaping metal plates. Glide the SA1 across the surface of a dull chisel or a worn knife edge, and you'll see how quickly it restores a crisp, even profile. The SC3, with its rounded edges, excels at contouring and blending, ideal for projects like jewelry making, where soft transitions and gentle curves matter. For intricate carving or engraving, the SD5 ball shape shines. Its spherical tip is perfect for adding detail to metal pendants or creating recesses in wood or acrylic. If your project demands working in tight spaces or around corners, the SF5 tree burr is your go-to. Its tapered point allows you to reach into confined areas, smooth out welds, or carve fine lines with precision. For hobbyists and professionals alike, having the right shape at hand means less frustration and more creative freedom. Organization is key to getting the most out of your burr set. Many USA-made kits, including Kodiak's, come with sturdy storage cases that keep every piece in place and easy to find. Clear labeling on each slot helps you quickly identify the burr you need, saving valuable time during complex projects. If your set doesn't come with a dedicated case, consider custom foam inserts or magnetic strips mounted to your workshop wall. Not only does this protect your investment, but it also keeps your workspace tidy and efficient. When it comes to maximizing the value of your burr set, maintenance is simple but essential. After each use, brush off debris with a stiff bristled brush and store the burrs in a dry place to prevent corrosion. Always use the right speed setting on your rotary tool. Too fast can cause overheating, while too slow reduces cutting efficiency. Choosing the best shape for your needs often comes down to the types of projects you tackle most. Are you frequently sharpening tools, creating jewelry, or working on automotive parts? Each shape has its strengths, and experimenting with different burrs can reveal new possibilities. Don't hesitate to share your experiences and preferences. Feedback from fellow makers can be invaluable. For those ready to take the next step, consider entering giveaways or checking out affiliate links from reputable retailers. Not only can you save on your next purchase, but you might also discover new brands and products through community engagement. And remember, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a weekend hobbyist, the right set of carbide burrs can dramatically expand what's possible in your workshop, one project and one perfectly shaped cut at a time.